Inside this little box is a $300 pair of wireless earbuds. Now, why would you ever pay $300 for wireless earbuds, you ask? Well, these are actually the earbuds from Sennheiser, the first ever true wireless earbuds called the Momentum True Wireless. And if you know anything about Sennheiser, you know that their headphones have awesome sound. In fact, these are the best sounding true wireless earbuds we've ever heard. But are they worth the cost? Now, Sennheiser took its time getting into the true wireless segment, but it kind of makes sense when you look at the design. It's really a premium feel here, right down to the case, which has this textured exterior. It feels solid, it looks nice, and at the back there's USB-C charging and a little button here which lets you know how much charge is in the earbuds, and if you have the earbuds outside of this charging case, you can see how much is left in the case. Now, looking at the earbuds themselves, they also look very cool. They have the sort of famous Sennheiser silver logo on the outside, and then when you look at the inside, there's this nice matte black plastic. It's just a nice look and feel. Also, as soon as you pull the buds out, they're ready to pair. It's really easy to set these up. You can put them in pairing by holding down on these exterior caps for 5 seconds. But once you pair them to your phone, they will automatically pair very quickly each time you pull the buds out. When it comes to accessories for the headphones, of course, you'll have the charging case as well as a USB-C cable. We would have liked to see a larger one at this price point, but we do have a fair amount anyway for our Android phone, so that's not that big of a deal. And there are also 4 different silicone ear tip sizes, and that's really important to get the right fit. Now, getting a tight fit is extremely important, of course, not only so you get a tight seal for the best sound, but also to make sure the earbuds stay put. We were able to get a tight fit with the medium-sized ear tips, and as you can see, they fit quite well, although they don't stick in as much as you'll see like the models on Sennheiser's website. But they're nice and firm, they're not going anywhere. And if you're going on a light workout, maybe a jog, they're going to stay put. Now, there is one problem there if you are going to work out with these, that they are not waterproof. So if you're a big sweater, that might be an issue. But if you're just going out for a basic jog, they should work quite well. They also have a lot of the features you'll want from a nice pair of true wireless earbuds, including auto pause when you pull them out, as well as the latest Bluetooth protocol, Bluetooth 5.0, and aptX for impressive Bluetooth quality. Speaking of Bluetooth, the Momentum have an extremely solid Bluetooth connection, never stuttering once in our review, and they also offer a clean and clear stereo image, which helps them deliver that very good sound. As you can see, there's no buttons on board here, as all functionality for playback is handled by touch controls. Now, it takes a little while to get used to them at first, and you'll have to read the manual, but a good tip is to make sure you're using the full pad of your finger when you do things like raise volume or song skip, which makes sure you get good contact. On the right earbud, you can call up your phone's assistant by a single tap, although we accidentally called up the assistant more than we would have liked. You can also do a double tap to go in and out of transparency mode, which allows for ambient sound to be piped into the headphones while you're listening to music. Sennheiser's Smart Control app also offers more functionality, including the ability to affect how transparency works, as well as to mess with the EQ a little bit if you don't like the default sound. The main issue we have with the Momentum outside of the price point is the battery life, which at 4 hours just isn't where we'd like it to be, especially for $300. Apple's AirPods and some of our other favorites have about 5 hours per charge. There's also only 8 hours inside the case, which when you compare that to Apple's AirPods, which are about half the price, they offer about 25 hours of total charge time. So that's a real ding here. But it's the sound where these earbuds earn their supper. As we mentioned, these are the best true wireless earbuds we've ever put in when it comes to sound performance. And as far as we're concerned, they're the current reigning champ in the true wireless category overall, offering smooth and brawny bass, a rich and well-defined mid-range area, and impressively clear treble. In other words, they sound just like Sennheiser headphones. And when it comes to true wireless earbuds, that's actually a major feat. Now, we can't tell you whether you should spend $300 on a pair of true wireless earbuds, and in fact, really, all true wireless earbuds are essentially overpriced right now because it's a very new technology. But if you're looking for the absolute best sound in true wireless, look no further than Sennheiser's Momentum. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like what you've seen here, please leave us a comment down there, maybe give us a thumbs up. You can also see more videos right here, and we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also find in-depth reviews of these headphones and plenty of others on digitaltrends.com.